blowing it.
Hi bitches, my name is Fax Machine today. So recently I've moved to a new house and this is the kitchen that we're in right now. Jacqueline, you can show them the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
And my friend Jacqueline is going to be our recorder today. So hi Jacqueline.
Hi Jacqueline.
Today I wanted to make some vegan mac and cheese because I used to make this recipe when I used to be vegan almost every week. And I want to make Jacqueline try it, see if she likes it and if she enjoys vegan alternatives.
No.
I'm also trying to be healthier and organize my life, so let me live.
What is that?
It's an ingredient. Anyways.
You're putting that in the mac and cheese?
Anyways, welcome
Oh my god!
to the Asian kitchen, everyone. Let's get started.
Let's just get a close-up of what we're gonna be consuming into our bodies. Oh.
Stop. It's good. Oh my god. Calm down. Calm down. So the recipe that I'm looking up today is Hot for Food mac and cheese. They are an amazing blog. I highly recommend them. First we need 3/4 cup of raw cashews, elbow macaroni, sea salt, vegan milk, lemon juice. We don't have lemons, we have limes though. Vegetable oil.
Check up there.
No, we're not tall enough for that, Jacqueline. We're Asian.
I'm tall.
We're Asian. 3 tablespoons tomato paste. Scoot, 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 scoot. Out of my way! And I'm gonna put some of this black bean dip because I do like it a lot.
How hard are you slamming them?
1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. To all my vegans who know what this is, I love you. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. White pepper. We don't have pepper, so we're gonna sub in regular black pepper. Breadcrumbs. So for breadcrumbs, I wanted to take this stuffing and just food process it. Dried oregano, don't have it, but we have dried basil. Okay. Let's get started, shall we?
That's like a lot of ingredients, and
this is bougie mac and cheese.
All we're making is mac and cheese. Well, vegan mac and cheese.
Okay.
Do you know how to cook pasta?
I can do this. Shut up.
You can't.
What the fuck? 3 cups elbow macaroni.
I'm gonna run into a chair.
Space.
Back to the studio. Wait, can I eat one?
It's dry.
I know. They're good still.
You gonna eat them?
Uh-huh.
Ew.
You've never had hard, just like dry pasta?
I had dry ramen.
Oof.
Ew.
ASMR.
Ew. Nasty. Also my first time using a gas stove, so I'm sorry if I'm an amateur.
Okay. Here we go, Fred. You gotta, yeah. Why is it not working?
Okay, so this is 3 cups of elbow macaroni.
So this is like the cheese?
Yeah,
Well,
so we make the sauce.
the cheese.
It is the cheese, yeah. 1.5 cup shit.
Why did you
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It worked, it worked. I did it. 1.5 cup of almond milk. We're gonna use soy milk for this one. You know what that sounds like?
What?
1.5 cups. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You know people do that, right? I'm not crazy.
I've never seen anyone do that.
It's to get the juices flowing.
What I'm going to do is roll it around a little bit.
To break up some of the celluloid fibers inside of the lemon.
It's in the dishwasher.
That's not a dishwasher, that's a dish rack. Because we're Asian. Ooh, where are my measurers? Where are my measurers? Oh my god, my mom moved everything in the house. What is this?
So beautiful.
All of this. And this too. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 1, 2. Get away. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
So focused.
So fat. So much fat. Ooh. How do I open this? Oh god.
Wait, I thought we're making mac and cheese, right?
Yeah, it gives it a... Trust the Duchess!
So you're putting the sauce for the cheesy aspect
Yes.
of it. That doesn't make any sense.
No, it does. Trust me.
Ew.
Oh, I didn't think that through. Hold on. A little bit of spill on aisle 4.
Off the side. Or do
Okay.
you need another one, right?
Yeah, I need 3 of these.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm doing it. Lift it up. We're going in. Okay. Can you fucking go down? What?
I don't want to eat this.
You'll like it. It's really good. Quick lesson for you guys. Nutritional yeast is actually just like a type of seasoning, and it tastes cheesy and it has a lot of good nutrients in it, which is why vegans love it. We want a real cheesy, so we're just gonna...
Oh my gosh, wait, blow on it, blow on it. If you blow on it. Oh yeah, keep the lid off too.
Keep the lid on?
Yeah, keep the lid off.
This is why you don't watch me. I'm such a bad influencer. It's fine, guys. It's fine. That's about 1/4 cup, right?
No, that's like way more.
Sure. And then we need onion powder, garlic powder. Oh god. Oh god. Okay.
Does it smell bad?
No, it's stuck to the bottom. There, now it's mixed. I think that's about enough.
Just like long pause.
See? It worked. Basically, all of these powders and spices are just to make the cheese sauce taste more like cheese because they have their own type of taste, and these mimic it. Okay? 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm just gonna... 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. And this is my favorite dip of all time. Not sponsored!
Oh my god. Now just taste it a little bit. Squishy or hard?
In between.
Here, let me try. What? This
What?
is like 3 more minutes.
And now we put the cashews in, which I should have put in first. This basically thickens it up and gives it a nuttier taste, which is what cheese usually has.
Are you putting all of those in there?
Yep. And the reason why we put them in water is so they can get softer. Ah! Anyways, like before I was so interrupted, you put these in water to soak so they come softer so they can blend better.
Is this plugged in? It's not even plugged
Don't you
in.
dare plug that in.
Oh, wait.
I'm trying to pick stuff up, Jacqueline.
Let me test it real fast. Perfect.
Okay.
I get the strainer out. Turn off. Take the strainer. Oh yeah, take the lid off. Don't you have like a big strainer?
It's a strainer.
No, that's not a strainer.
The biggest one we have right now.
What?
Asians don't have strainers. We have this.
Now we need a bowl.
Mother, why would you do this to us?
Is it okay if I like...
Yes.
Gym class. We're so
Okay. Oh my god, Jacqueline. Frederic's Asian Kitchen, everyone. Maybe if this video gets a lot of views, then we got the budget.
to get a strainer.
Like this video if you would like Frederic Asian Kitchen to get a strainer, everybody. Yes. Let's make the sauce. I may have it.
Why is it brown?
What made you think it was gonna be yellow? We don't need yellow mac and cheese for your, processed artificial coloring.
What does it even taste like?
You will see. Ooh. Oh. That looks so good. No!
You really like it.
I'm addicted to this taste. I will admit it is not for everyone. So Jacqueline, you could easily hate this shit.
I'm literally gonna hate it so much.
Like, get an ASMR of this.
It smells like... Ooh, it smells like onions.
She's ready.
Wait, keep the spatula for a second. Oh,
Why?
okay. I was gonna say you could like spread it out evenly.
I'm the chef, but I will take that as good criticism. We need tin foil. I think that's in here. Yes.
How do I put this back in?
Jacqueline.
Okay, I got it.
so many. I hate bacon. This is why I hate bacon. Everything is a mess in my kitchen.
Hit bake.
My old Asian kitchen didn't have all this, you know, fancy smashy stuff, so...
An oven? No, I'm just kidding.
I meant the directions for the oven. So we couldn't do Frederic's Asian kitchen because we didn't have the budget yet. But now we do. I'm being gay, okay? I need to make the stuffing or the breadcrumbs now. So I'm just gonna put some stuffing in here. Breadcrumbs. So we're gonna keep that there. Now we will wait 20 minutes until that is done cooking.
And also more because it has to preheat.
Yeah. Alright. What are you looking at? Alright, it's 3:25. We open. We have one shot.
No, this
Oven
one.
settings.
No, it's this timer. That's for 20 hours. Go ahead, wait, click start. I want to see.
No, I don't need.
Okay,
Shut up.
cancel.
We're gonna wait, and then we're gonna put these breadcrumbs in, and then everything will be okay, Jacqueline.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we are back. It has been ringing for who knows how long. Oh, it's a little hot. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Ooh. Hold on. Ah! I'm kidding. The breadcrumbs. Jacqueline. Thank you. Breadcrumbs. Well, maybe we made a little more breadcrumbs than I needed. Oops. Okay, this will just be a little more crunchy. See you in 10 minutes. Are you ready? Are you ready? 9, 8,
7, 6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1. Go! Fred's so excited.
Ow. Yes. I would have preferred it to be a little more brown.
Preferred.
You're gonna talk to your chef like that?
You cut some for you, and then I'll try a little piece.
So, this is your piece. This is my piece.
I get the whole. I don't want the whole
I'm
thing.
kidding. Oh, look at that. It's not your traditional mac and cheese, okay? It's artisan.
You want me to eat that?
Bon appetit, baby. Jacqueline.
I will now eat the vegan.
Fine.
I'm gonna taste a bigger piece. I didn't get enough flavor.
Fine, okay. Fine. More for me.
You need water?
Sure.
I think I was expecting mac and cheese.
I probably should have told you
The
it was.
flavor.
Yeah.
It tastes okay.
So, if you're vegan, I recommend this recipe. If you're not, just don't eat it or try it at all because apparently you'll hate it. But that's all for Frederic's Asian Kitchen episode 1, season 1. If you want more episodes, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment down below about what other thing you want me to cook, or subscribe for more videos every Saturday/Sunday or Wednesday/Thursday so I'm not procrastinating. Thank you, Jacqueline,
Yeah, but you're
for
pregnant.
recording and for dealing with my terrible cooking.
Just gotta learn the Italian way. Hey guys, it's Fred, and everything is less than 3. It's like,
Other way.
what?
Think about what the camera's looking at. Yes.